Good morning, students. We will start the same topic, that is selective discharge of ions at the electrodes. And under this topic, we had already discussed the first one, that is the position in the electrochemical series. Today we can start the second selective discharge, which depends on concentration of ions in the electrolytes. When the solution contains more concentration of any particular ion, then the preference should be given to that ions which is highly concentrated, and discharging of that ions will be done first. Let us try to understand this with an example of electrolysis of concentrated sodium chloride solution. So when we take concentrated solution of sodium chloride, it means sodium ion and chloride ion in the solution is highly concentrated, then hydrogen ion or hydroxyl ion. So let's see what happened here. So let us first write the ionic equation when we pass electric current to sodium chloride solution. So sodium chloride solution NaCl will be dissociated to give Na plus and Cl minus ion, that is chloride ion. Now since it is a solution, it is water also that will be ionized to give H plus ion and OH minus ion. Let us show the discharging process now of the positive and the negative charge. Since there are two positive charges here, but sodium ion is highly concentrated in the solution, so in this case sodium ion should be discharged first. But due to the reason that sodium is more reactive, in this case hydrogen ion will gain the electron first, so it will be the first one to discharge at the cathode. Let's see. So at cathode, it will be hydrogen ion. Though sodium is highly concentrated or more concentration in the solution, it is hydrogen ion that will be discharged first, as it is capable of gaining the electrons faster. So when it gains electron, it is changed to neutral atom of hydrogen, but we cannot leave hydrogen here as it is unstable. So we can show combination of two hydrogen atoms to produce hydrogen gas. So at the cathode, during the electrolysis of concentrated sodium chloride solution, it is found hydrogen gas releasing. And now at anode, there are two negative charged ions, that is chloride ion and hydroxyl ion. But when you see hydroxyl ion in the electrochemical series, it is below chloride ion. But we are not going to discharge hydroxyl ion first, as the concentration of chloride ion is more. So chloride ion will be discharged first. So chloride ion will lose the electron, will be changed to chlorine atom. Again two similar chlorine atoms when combined changes to chlorine gas. That is, at the anode side this time we can see a greenish yellow colored vapor being released. This is the example of electrolysis of concentration or concentrated sodium chloride solution. Let me remind you once again, here also it is sodium ion that is highly concentrated, then hydrogen ion, but only because of the reason that sodium is more reactive and hydrogen is more capable of gaining the electrons compared to sodium ion. So it is hydrogen ion that will be discharged first. But in this case, since chloride ion is highly concentrated in the solution, in spite of hydroxyl ion lower position in the electrochemical series, it is chloride ion that will be discharged first and will be converted into chlorine gas. We will now come to the next topic, which is nature of electrodes. So how nature of electrode gives an idea or tells us which ion is going to discharge first.